Hey guys, Amanda here, and I'm back with another bulk unboxing for you today. Honey Bunny's behind the camera, so hello to Honey Bunny. And today we're doing a book box that's Home and Garden. The cost for me was $63.57. I actually had a couple dollars of eBay bucks. This came off of eBay, so the original price was like $65 and some change, but what I ended up paying was $63.57. The MSRP is $245.31, and there's 20 items in the box. So I got this box for different reason. I bought this because there's stuff in here that we will keep and use for ourselves in our household, and some things to resell. And my hope is that the things that we're able to sell will cover the entire cost of the box at least, so that the things that we got for our household will essentially be free. If we can make a few extra bucks, that would be awesome too. But the plan is just to try to recoup the cost of the box. So here we go. Let's get into it. Let's see if I can get this open. It's got to be a better way. Oh, maybe there's a better way. I feel like this should go in the bloopers. This should be a blooper. So, and I do plan on probably at the end of April, I'll probably go back and do a what sold video from the first boxes that we did unboxings for in May. I figured it's good to give them a month or so to actually try to sell before I do that, so that I can give you the best true numbers of net profit on the boxes. I'm not going to go through shipping and fees and all that stuff, just the net profit, so that you can see if each one of those boxes was actually profitable or not, and how much profit, and was it worth it. So here we go. So there it is, all opened up. This is uninspected returns. So who knows what the condition will actually be once we get into it. But we'll get started right away. So first thing up is an open box of tissues. My favorite when they come, because they're usually crunched up. Not really my favorite, that was sarcastic. But those will be for us. And then there are 4 boxes of Finish dishwasher tabs. And these are the 54 tabs, so we should be set on dishwashing detergent for a while. And these usually cost about $8 or $9 at the store, so I figured that was a good way to get them, was like this. They're all in sealed condition. The boxes are just kind of crunched up, but it's okay for us. So, and then next, this is a waterproof fabric shower liner. There, and this is for resale, assuming that it doesn't have any rips or stains or holes or anything in it. And then here's a pack of straws. Just plastic straws. They are reusable straws. So normally what I was planning on doing with some of the stuff in this box like this is we like to road trip a lot, and when we do, we always take a food bag with us, and in the food bag I have a Ziploc bag that I keep plastic silverware, plates, napkins, this kind of thing in it. So if we're in a hotel or something somewhere and we need that stuff, we have it available to us. So these might go in that bag. More than likely, that's what will happen. All right. And then next, we've got, this is a Threshold blackout curtain panel, 84 inch. So I'll have to check it, of course, to see if it has any spots or stains on it, but it appears to just be kind of new open packaging, and doesn't look like it's factory folded anymore. So I'll have to refold it. He'll be okay. He'll be okay. So this is a Dymo refill. I'm sorry that this packaging is torn up so bad, actually, because I'm afraid the tape on it might have messed it up. But this is, it's not a big ticket item to start with. It costs $3 or $4 at the store. But I'll have to look and see what these are selling for on eBay, if it's worth selling. And next we have plastic wrap. This is for us. It does not appear to be opened other than just a little at the end there. So this will stay here with us. Then next, I've got several gift bags. Big giant, this is a big giant gift bag. And then here's a smaller one. And another smaller one. And I think that might be all the gift bags, yeah. So these are ones that we'll just keep for ourselves. This one, oh, look at that. This one's missing a handle. So it might just end up being trash. Or I can just use it and tape it over the side or something. So that one's damaged and missing a handle. This one is ripped right there. So that sucks. And then this one doesn't appear to have any damage to it. It's probably just leftover from Valentine's Day. And then next, a little pack of turkey napkins. These will go in that bag I was telling you about. All right, and then next we've got this pocketbook here, and this actually looks to be in really good shape. And it's VRNYC is the name brand, and it doesn't appear to have any damage to it or anything. And just have to check the zippers. It's still got all the stuffing and the extra shoulder strap inside there, so that's awesome. So this will go up for resale. And then we've got a pair of boots. These still have the tag on them. These are universal thread, size 6. Just a little set of heeled boots. They're in good shape. And then next we have a light filtering valance. It's threshold, yep, threshold. Looks kind of like a kitchen valance. And that's still new in package. I think that's original manufacturer tape there. I don't think that was put there by somebody later. And then next, this is a room essential fabric storage bin. So, and the packaging has been cut on that, but it appears to be there, and it appears to be folded up. So I don't know if it was originally like a 2-pack, but either way, it looks to be fine. So that's good. That might probably just go with a lot of other stuff on Facebook Marketplace. And then I've got a Town and Country Living tablecloth here. If I remember correctly, they said the MSRP on this was like $20 or $25. We've sold a lot of tablecloths on eBay, so this will just go on eBay. And it has, I believe it has been opened because it doesn't have the cardboard inside anymore that would normally keep it kind of stiff, but otherwise, just at first glance, it looks factory folded, still kind of, sort of, and in good shape. So, but of course, I'll check it and make sure. And then last but not least, there's a thing of secret deodorant with no top, but the seal is still there on the top, so I'm assuming it's okay. I'll check it. This will just stay here with us too. So that's it. That's everything in the box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video, and thank you to Shalonda for the t-shirt and some other bulk swag. I got a little swag bag for my previous book unboxing, so really appreciate that, and shout out to Shalonda Willis from Bulk. And otherwise, just make sure you like and subscribe. If you like these kind of videos, make sure to ask questions if you have them. I'll be happy to answer them. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.